Hey everyone, Amtrak and CSX Rearfin here, and we got a CSX flight close to like 12:26. It's going a little bit slow here because he's falling behind a lake shore that went by not too long ago, so that's why he's probably going slow here. Also, he might be thinking we might have a meet with some Maple Leaf if the Maple Leaf is nearby, but I haven't heard anything about the Maple Leaf being nearby yet. But yeah, here he comes. Here he goes. Seems like he had new dumpsters up. Calls on there towards the end because those look like new dumpster calls. And he should be empty though, too, also because yeah, they're usually empty heading back east.